In addition to CAD/CAM importation, STEP, STL, and Parasolids, it's also possible to create fixturing and tools from GDML files. In the case of creating a setup, import all types of fixturing and vices that are then usable during simulation collision detection. Select Import CAD, the file in question, and group the sections of the fixturing, in this case the tombstone, so NC Sim could treat them as soft jaws, removable clamps, collision objects, and more. Included in the file are coordinate systems used to automatically snap the part and stock to a mounting location and the entire assembly to the machine table. For the tools, open the NC Sim tool library and choose to create 3D tool by importing a GDML file. The advantage to doing it this way is that the cutting, non-cutting, and holder sections are automatically identified, as well as the cutter compensation used and length offset. It is essentially built and ready to use upon import, where it can be utilized for a single job or added permanently to an NC Sim library. No matter the file preference, NC Sim provides numerous choices of how to quickly and easily get all data imported and certifying the G-code in no time.